For some pet owners, ordinary cats and dogs just won't do. Around the world, a select few are willing to pay astonishing prices for rare, exotic, and highly specialized animals. From champion racehorses to ultra-rare fish, these pets come with price tags that rival luxury cars and even homes. You'll discover why some animals command such high prices and learn about the unique challenges that come with owning them. Passionate about extraordinary animals? One click on subscribe keeps the discoveries coming. Get ready. Some of these prices will shock you. Number 10. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees can cost between $60,000 to $80,000, but their price tag is just the beginning. These highly intelligent primates require specialized care, large enclosures, and constant mental stimulation. While they form strong bonds with owners, their incredible strength and complex emotional needs make them challenging pets. Many countries have strict regulations about keeping primates due to welfare concerns. As they mature, chimps often become aggressive and unpredictable, leading many owners to eventually surrender them to sanctuaries. Number 9. Hyacinth macaw. The stunning cobalt blue hyacinth macaw commands prices up to $40,000. As the largest flying parrot species, these birds need enormous cages and specialized diets. Their rarity in the wild and breeding challenges contribute to the high cost. While incredibly affectionate, their powerful beaks can crack coconuts. A reminder, they're not typical pets. These majestic birds can live up to 60 years, making them a lifelong commitment. Number 8. Savannah cat. This exotic hybrid of a domestic cat and African serval sells for $10,000 to $25,000. F1 Savannahs, first generation, are the most valuable. Their wild appearance and dog-like personalities attract collectors, but their high energy and space requirements make them unsuitable for most homes. Some regions ban or restrict ownership of these striking felines. Their impressive jumping ability, they can easily leap 8 feet vertically, means owners need specially modified homes. Number 7. Holstein cow. Prized dairy cows like Missy, who sold for $1.2 million, represent the elite of livestock. Champion Holsteins with perfect genetics and milk production records regularly sell for 6 figures at auction. While technically farm animals, these bovine beauties become beloved pets for wealthy agriculturalists seeking superior bloodlines. The most valuable cows can produce over 30,000 pounds of milk annually. Their value extends beyond milk production. Champion show cows become celebrities in agricultural circles, with their offspring commanding premium prices at auction. Number 6. Racing pigeons. The world's most expensive racing pigeon, Armando, sold for $1.4 million in 2019. Champion racing pigeons regularly fetch 6-figure sums due to their incredible homing abilities and racing pedigrees. This centuries-old sport has a dedicated following, particularly in Belgium and China, where elite birds are treated like professional athletes. The best racing pigeons can fly home from distances over 1,000 miles at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. Modern pigeon racing has embraced technology with electronic timing systems and GPS tracking, but the fundamental bond between racer and bird remains unchanged. Number 5. Tibetan Mastiff. Once sold for nearly $2 million in China, these massive guardian dogs typically cost $5,000 to $10,000. Their lion-like appearance and ancient lineage make them status symbols. However, their strong protective instincts and size, up to 180 pounds, require experienced handlers. The breed's popularity has declined somewhat after China's luxury crackdowns. Originally bred to protect Himalayan monasteries, these dogs have an independent nature that makes them challenging to train. Their thick, double coat requires daily grooming, adding to the commitment of ownership. Number 4. Thoroughbred racehorse. The record for a racehorse stands at $70 million for Fusaichi Pegasus. Even average thoroughbreds sell for 6 figures. Beyond purchase price, maintaining a racehorse costs about $50,000 annually. These sensitive athletes represent the ultimate combination of living art and high-performance investment for the ultra-wealthy. The most successful racehorses can earn millions in prize money, but the vast majority never recover their owners' investments. The thoroughbred breeding industry remains one of the last bastions of true aristocracy, where bloodlines are carefully documented back centuries. Number 3. White lion cubs. Extremely rare white lion cubs can cost up to $140,000. Their striking appearance comes from a genetic mutation, not albinism. While breathtaking, these big cats require zoo-level facilities and care. Most countries prohibit private ownership, making them legal only for licensed facilities in select locations. The white coloration actually puts them at a disadvantage in the wild, making them entirely dependent on human care. Conservationists warn that the demand for white lions as exotic pets threatens conservation efforts for normal-colored lions in the wild. Number 2. KOI fish. The most expensive koi ever sold went for $1.8 million. Champion-grade koi with perfect patterns, size, and skin quality regularly sell for 6 figures. Japanese breeders spend decades perfecting bloodlines, with serious collectors building elaborate ponds just to showcase their living jewels. The top koi compete in shows judged on criteria as strict as any dog show. Maintaining these valuable fish requires expert water quality management and protection from predators like herons and raccoons. Number 1. Golden dragon fish. This ultra-rare color variant of the Asian arowana has sold for over $300,000. Believed to bring good luck in Asian cultures, their metallic scales and majestic appearance make them the ultimate status symbol fish. Strict CITES regulations control their trade, adding to their exclusivity. Special permits are required even to own one legally. The most prized specimens have perfect scale alignment and intense golden coloration that shimmers under aquarium lights. Some Asian businessmen believe these living dragons can absorb negative energy and protect their owners from harm,